Good morning, team. Before we begin our experiment on acid titration today, we need to conduct our mandatory safety toolbox meeting. The purpose is to ensure everyone is aware of the risk before we handle the hazardous chemicals.
That's right. Today's task involves concentrated sulfuric acid, so there is no room for mistakes.
I reviewed the safety data sheet. The primary hazard today is the corrosive nature of the acid. It can cause severe skin burn and permanent eye damage upon contact. Also, be mindful of the chemical vapors which can lead to irritate your respiratory system.
Ouch! 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 To manage this risk, we will only handle the acid inside the fume hood. Never pour water into acid, always add acid to water slowly.
Safety is our number one priority. Everyone must wear full PPE, which is glove, face mask, button-up lab coat, and a suitable shoe. If you notice any damage to your glove, replace them immediately before touching any glassware.
In case of a small spill, use the chemical spill immediately. If the acid touches your skin or eyes, head straight to the emergency shower or eye wash station and rinse it for at least 15 minutes and don't wait. Shout for help immediately.
I have a question for our senior assistant. What should we do if we accidentally break the beaker containing the acid?
Good question. Do not attempt to pick up the broken glass with your hands. Use a brush and dustpan and neutralize the spill with sodium bicarbonate first. Most importantly, report the incident to the supervisor immediately.
Excellent. If there are no more questions, please sign the safety toolbox form here to ensure that you understand the procedure.